It sure was an active evening and overnight period across the tri-state. We had some severe storms that rolled through that produced possibly some tornadoes, have some damage that looks like near the Napoleon area. Had this particular system that was moving through parts of Jefferson County, Indiana, near DuPont, went into parts of Switzerland and Ohio County and produced this funnel cloud. And then there was a lot of damage as you go into Warren and Clinton counties. There was even some damage in Ripley County. National Weather Service will get that all figured out. I'll post those updates as I get them. But Kale, thank you for sending this photo of the tornado or the funnel cloud there that went through the Friendship, Indiana area. Now that that's all passed, it's absolutely miserable outside with temperatures in the far northwestern sections of the area almost into the 30s now. We've got mid 40s here with a north-northwest wind. There you go. You can see 41 at Connersville, 51 in Maysville right now. So there's a big difference, about a 10-degree difference from north to south here. This midday approaching midday hour. You'll see those scattered mist drizzle deal going on, and we'll see those clouds for the good chunk of the day. We could see a little bit of clearing. It depends how fast this moves into the overnight period, but could see some patchy frost for areas that do clear out overnight. You'll see this is the line of storms that I'm watching carefully Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This will have all modes severe weather potential. The instability is always the question in these type of scenarios, and I'm going to have to watch that carefully over the next couple days. Dial in timing and how much fuel is going to be the two things that we're going to need to watch for that. Enhanced risk is still placed by the Storm Prediction Center for this situation here. And I'll talk more about it later tonight. There's a lot of things that go into this potential severe risk. We got a lot of wind energy, and it doesn't take much storm fuel when you got a lot of wind energy to get some significant severe. So stay tuned for that. And then on top of that, there is a high potential for hellacious flooding or rainfall totals that will lead to flooding as we go through Monday of next week. Notice these rainfall totals anywhere between 9 inches in Madison, Indiana, 8.5 inches in Cincinnati, 6 inches in Connersville, 5.5 inches in Maysville. We're in for a very significant period of rainfall and likely to see some major flooding issues over the next week, so stay tuned for that. Today, we'll be hanging around that mid to upper 40s with cloudy skies. It's going to be pretty miserable today. So maybe a typical Monday blue type of deal. Tuesday, 57, partly cloudy skies. I did have that temperature on Wednesday bumped up to 77 as we're going to have a strong southerly breeze. And you know what that does around here. And I expect near wind advisory criteria on Wednesday. So if you're doing anything that involves need to know that strong winds will occur, they're going to occur that day. And then I've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday with anywhere between a 70% or higher probability of rainfall during those days. So be prepared for those days to see some potential for significant flooding.